Hi guys, I want to take some time over here to just kind of go over how to download some music. Now, obviously you may already have an account with the old iTunes here, and if you do, you can just go ahead and download a song. So if you pay for it, you're okay to use it, right? Anything you download illegally, you're not okay to use. So obviously the way to download music on iTunes, and everybody should know this, and if you don't know, maybe get an older adult to help you. But when you go into iTunes, you go into the store section and you'll see any kinds of songs that you like. I just randomly picked a country one. And then you click on right here and it downloads it and you pay $1.29. That's not very expensive. In fact, I accidentally clicked on here earlier today and paid for this song. So I might end up using that one since it's the song that I paid for. All right, so it's the Cadillac 3 Tabasco and sweet tea. So that is how you would go ahead and use iTunes. So so iTunes is still downloading music. So we're not gonna use did I share my screen? I'm not even sure that I shared my screen. So let me quickly go over here to sharing this screen, okay? And once again, here is iTunes. So I want to show you, I'm kind of working with one screen and kind of working halfway. So this you should be able to see better. Again, you open up iTunes, you go into the store section right here, right? You see all the songs that you like, and you click right here, and the $1.29, the song downloads, and you pay for it, okay? So you should pay for songs that you use. That way the artist gets paid for their effort. Okay, so that is that, and it'll download, and then you'll be able to find it in your folder. And since this is the song that I downloaded earlier, accidentally, I didn't mean to click, but I clicked it, so I paid the $1.29, and the song is available for me to use. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Give me a second here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to use a website called freeplaymusic.com. Free Play Music. Okay, so there's Free Play Music. And I think I linked the website to the bottom of this YouTube video, but I will also link it in Google Classroom. Okay, so you'll be able to see it there. But freeplaymusic.com is a nice website that allows you to download free songs. So once you've actually logged into freeplaymusic.com, well, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have to create an account. And to create an account, you just use your school email. So it's going to ask you to log in with Google, and you just do that like you do with a lot of sites, and you will be in. Now, these are free songs, but they're only free if you submit or request certain licenses. Okay, so here's how we're going to do this. And to make it simple, I'm not going to look for any, but you can actually categorize songs by your scene, your genre, or your mood. Some other ways of looking at songs that are available. I'm going to go ahead, scroll all the way down to these top tracks, okay? And the first thing I'm going to look for in the top tracks is right here where it says cuts. And where I see these scissors, that means that these tracks have multiple versions. Okay, so here's how, I'm just going to go with this first one. Some country crossover, modern country. The tempo right here is medium, okay? And the longest length is 1:25. So that might be a little bit short, but we can always replay it. If you want to look for a longer one, obviously, and your video is longer, you can go ahead and scroll down. This one right here is 2:23. All right. And here, and this one has various versions. So let's go ahead and go with this modern fusion, contemporary jazz. Again, if you want to take some more time, you can take more time to do some more searches, and you can find some more songs under these genres or categories or these playlists. So you do the searching right there, find what you like, but the key is look for these scissors, okay? I decided I'm just going to go ahead and go with this first one and click right here with the plus sign, and that's going to add it to my cart. So I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to sign in, okay? So as you can see on the top, it says log in with Google. So you log in with Google just like you would, like your normal school website, like you always do. And when you log in, you're going to go ahead and log in. And so now that I'm logged in, jmurphy@crestwoodschools.org, it should open up a tab for me to redo this, but since it doesn't, I'm going to see if there's anything in my cart. And my cart is empty, okay? So I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll all the way back down again. And I'm going to select this right here, add to playlist, okay? And actually, I'm not even going to do that. Let me click on license. Click on this cart right here. And you can see that it's adding it. So I shouldn't have added it to the playlist. That was incorrect. I'm going to go right here and click on the shopping cart. And now that you see, this has loaded into my cart. Okay. So now I can go to cart, and now I can check out. Click on check out, and you're going to see now it's going to be asking us for a license type. Okay. So here's what you do here. You can do the license type here or license type down here. We're going to do it down here. Click on that, and it's going to be education. Okay, education, classroom use. And because it's education and classroom use, it's not going to cost you anything. Now you're going to go ahead and click checkout. Please agree to the terms. So you're going to, there should be a box that asks you to agree to the terms. I agree to the terms. Right there, click on that box. Now you can check out. And you can see right here that it's downloading these songs. So it's going to download a zip folder. And in that zip folder, we're going to have multiple versions of this song, from the longest to some short ones that are cut like 10 seconds long, 30 seconds long, and 60 seconds long. Why are they cut precisely to those lengths? Well, the easy answer is that they're used for radio, right? They're used for what are called radio stingers, or they're used for 30-second commercials or 60-second commercials. So as you can see now, my folder has downloaded. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to click this arrow, and I'm going to click Show in Folder. Click that open, and there's my folder, and you're going to see my zip file appear right here, okay? So again, now you have a destination for your extracts file, and if you want to download it anywhere else, you can go ahead and do that. As you can see, it's going to my downloads file, and the order name. If I want to put it on my desktop, I can, or if I want to go ahead and hit browse and put it in my drive, right? Or my SD card, select that folder, and just E, or you can select it inside a folder specifically within. Okay, so it's slideshow project, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm going to write the word music. Okay, so now I'm going to hit select folder, and you can see right here the whole string. This is again my SD card, and finally, the folder inside of that, hit extract. It'll go very fast. And now you can see that inside is a folder. It says Be Thrilled, and we have a full-length file. Which is about 1.5 minutes, so we're going to be replaying it. Here you see 30-second again, like I explained, for a radio commercial, 30-second commercial, and 60-second, okay? So if you want to go ahead and listen to them at this point, you can. I always recommend you pre-listen to them before, but I was just going real quickly through this presentation. So, and that's basically how that's done. So what we're going to do is for our next video, I'm going to use this music that I downloaded on freeplaymusic.com, or once again, if you're paying for music on iTunes, you can go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how to find those files. And once again, we're going to go back into Premiere Pro, and we're going to put those songs in in our Premiere Pro projects. And then we're going to wrap it up using Media Encoder, and that will be the project, and you'll be able to submit it again. But for now, we're just going to focus this video on doing the Google, downloading the music, and we'll talk to you guys soon.